Today unboxing is on the latest Tomica Shop release, the Toyota Town Ace Ramen Noodle truck. The noodle truck has been a very iconic casting for Tomica ever since its very first started. Hence today, I will also feature the Suzuki Carry Chinese noodle truck. Where it all started, this Suzuki Carry Chinese noodle truck is the very first casting for the red box. It's a very popular casting among kids and collectors. I clearly remember I played with this truck when I was a kid. Among the few Tomica I buy, this is my first choice. Of course, I do not have this truck with me anymore. Hence I got this at a good price during my trip in Japan. Apart from some minor issues, this truck give me a lot of good memories. The condition is exactly the same as how it used to be. What I'm really fascinated is the Chinese noodle store that is especially popular with collectors. Many will connect this noodle truck instantly with the Tomica brand. Of course, there's a lot of variants and reissue for this Chinese noodle truck over the years. I do not have them all, and the release for this noodle truck is very consistent. The latest Toyota Town Ace Ramen Noodle truck, more than 40 years later, standard Tomica Shop large box. There's a lot of improvement over the years. Unlike the Chinese noodle truck, it now has the plastic insert headlights, a very nice illustration of the ramen noodle. All black button wheels is predominantly in red and white, typical of the Tomica Shop theme. The noodle stand is a whole new tooling without any significant difference. Overall, I think it's a very nice Tomica history comparison between the two eras. Next on my list is definitely going to visit the noodle truck on my next trip to Japan after the pandemic is over. I just realized I haven't come across any noodle truck in Japan. Stay tuned for more Tomica unboxing. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.